Here is a dark secret about Indonesia. Tourists visiting the country can marry local girls, making them temporary wives in exchange for money. Pleasure marriages or nikah muta is a term used to describe temporary marriages that is only practiced by some Shia Muslims. Wealthy tourists, mostly from the Middle East, target poor women for these short-term unions. These unions can last anywhere from a few hours to a few days. The man pays a bride price and the woman provides domestic and sexual services during his stay. Once the tourist leaves, the marriage ends, leaving the woman without rights. Women resort to this due to poverty, supporting their families through these arrangements. In some Indonesian villages, the scarcity of economic opportunities has reportedly turned the illicit practice into a thriving underground industry to boost the country's tourism and economy. Earlier, families would pressure young girls into pleasure marriages, but now, brokers and agencies handle everything, turning it into a business. These pleasure marriages or nikah muta exploit vulnerable women under a religious facade. In an interview with LA Times, Chaya, whose name has been changed, shared that she was forced into pleasure marriages at 17. Her first marriage was to a Saudi man in his 50s for a dowry of $850. And over the years, she has endured 15 such marriages where she earned between $300 and $500 per marriage. Her exploitation began at 13, pushed into the practice to support herself and her daughter after an early marriage fell apart. One of her husbands took her to Saudi Arabia, promising $2,000 as a dowry and a monthly allowance. Instead, she was mistreated, forced into unpaid labor and abused. "I was treated like a slave. He would spit on my meals, scream at me every night and break things," she shared. Despite multiple escape attempts, she remained trapped until the broker's pleas to the Saudi embassy and Indonesian authorities helped bring her home. Another woman, Nisa, now a mother of 2, went through 20 such marriages before leaving the practice. The practice of nikah muta is not widely accepted in Indonesia. Most Indonesian Islamic scholars denounce it as a misinterpretation of religious texts. Indonesian authorities have tried to crack down on the practice, but enforcing laws against pleasure marriages is incredibly difficult. These unions are often conducted privately with little to no documentation. As a result, the women are left with no legal recourse.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.